church. What is your Tagalog words today?
I don't know.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga, yeah.
But you already know that?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay, I'm good.
Magandang upon? Nah, sorry.
No, hapon.
Not yet.
Not yet. Yeah. What is your word for today? What is your word for today? Let's say, we're gonna learn Tagalog, right? What about the word that you speak yesterday, like you say? Pagdali, no, Tagalog. Bilisan mo.
Bilisan mo.
Bilisan mo.
Bilisan mo.
Okay, kasi late na tayo. Kasi
Kasi
late na tayo.
late na tayo.
Okay, that is your word for today, Mahat. Actually, guys, I'm not really on like that because we slept so very late last night. Kasi yesterday we're out for it's our food trip because after we went to Ate Chris' house, and of course maraming food talaga doon. My husband workmate, they invite us to go to their house to have dinner. Guys, we're still full from Ate Chris, but then we need to eat a lot because we don't want them to get upset because they prepared a lot of food.
Good food too. Yeah.
Good food too, and and it's like we're eating in the 5-star restaurant because this was mayroon silang, they have appetizer food which is a lot, and then they have the main food which is a lot again, rice with seafood na may there is turmeric, and then 3 yung salad na talong because they're from Sri Lanka. They're very nice person, guys. Salad, it's like a salad talong, chop na maliit, and then meat at saka meat na lang at saka curry na kasi masarap. They're they're yummy, guys, but the problem is gosh, I'm so full. But we should eat a lot because we don't want them to get upset because they keep telling us, I hope you like it, we're worried that you might not like it. I know. Kaya yun, guys, ang dami namin kinain. Hindi ako makahinga, 1 o'clock na kami natulog. Hanggang ngayon busog pa ako. I told my husband I'm not going to eat in 2 weeks. Okay, guys, see you guys. Thank you, guys. Bye. Stay by.